All right, hey there guys, Rooster here. Hopefully this is not too loud. This video is going to be a little bit run and gun. Don't expect any fancy editing or anything like that, but I don't post anymore. However, now's as good a time as ever. And I'll keep this as quick and succinct as possible so that more and more of you, more people, actually possibly have a higher likelihood of watching this and spreading the news and knowledge. So anyway, let's talk about folding at home very quickly. What is folding at home? Long story short, it's a program and a community that you can jump into that uses, or rather assists in the complex calculations and algorithms to, combat and, find or do research, I should say, in combating certain diseases, all kinds of illnesses all around the world, from cancer to now COVID-19. So now, as I said, as good a time as ever, we should be considering this. And the reason why you should be is, for one, if you have a computer, yeah, you should be. But granted, many of us now have to stay home, and maybe we work from home, but nonetheless, you can still have this program and include yourself in the research, all in the background of all the other stuff that your computer's running, programs in the background, and even while you're not using it. So that being said, idle, you're just walking away from your computer, you could be using folding at home in the background, and your computer, laptop, whatever the case may be, uses the onboard GPU, that's your video card, or your CPU, while you're not hogging the other resources for other tasks. And you could be including and helping in the fight now for COVID-19. So let's go jump into this very quickly. And the reason why that was Barnacle Nerdgasm. Look at him. Jerry, nice. Anyway. So yeah, Linus and the Linus tech community. Oh, that's great. I paused on an awesome frame of his face. That tends to happen a lot. But if you want to go look at his video, I'm going to be putting his video in the description as well. They go into it more in depth, and also the particular computer that they're going to use. But they pretty much sum it up in the same way that I am now. So I figure, why not? Let me go ahead and branch out and get this news out there as well to, get more people in tune with it. So you go to their website, foldingathome.org, start folding now. And if you specifically want to join Linus's folding group, I'll show you that in a moment as well. Or you can do it as an individual by default. That is fine as well. Download now for your specific system. It'll detect whether you're on Windows, Mac, whatever the case may be. I've already gotten mine. And as of right now, I'm waiting for my passkey, which you son of a, what? Thank you. Passkey, you would have to go here to get a passkey so you can authorize to get in and use the program. This may take a while because the website's being swamped right now. Everyone's trying to do this to really help and include in, be part of the effort. So this may take a little bit. You just put your name and your email, and you will soon, hopefully in a few hours, you will get a passkey so that you can include that with your newly downloaded program, and then you can get in and start using it. If you want the specifics on how to use the program, go look at Linus's video here really quick, and his team explains how to use it, how to deselect your CPU or select both your CPU and video card to, be included into the resources being used for the computations necessary to battle and find, do research on these illnesses, including, like I said, especially now, COVID-19. So yeah, guys, jump on that, download it. You got nothing to lose. You're helping out in a worldwide effort right now at this point, not just with your community, but worldwide. We all have to be, considering each other. And as long as you keep yourself safe too, that doesn't make you selfish. Keep clean. Don't cough into your, elbow. Keep your hands clean. Don't touch your face. Being super selfish about your cleanliness and your safety right now doesn't make you, a bad person, doesn't make you greedy, doesn't make you selfish. Go ahead and be selfish about that, because by keeping clean and keeping yourself safe, you are keeping the rest of the people around you safe. Family, friends, and in case you do have to go out, if you don't have to, don't. But in case you do have to go out, just keep clean. Steer clear of anyone that is exhibiting signs 6 feet or more away from strangers, and don't congregate in groups bigger than 10. So no virus partying. No virus partying, I know, hurricane parties before a storm hits or as it hits. Yeah, let's just party. But as enticing as that is right now, but probably shouldn't. So guys, I'm going to put all this information in the description below. Give this video a like if you want, or link it to other people. I don't care. This isn't about me getting exposure. Just get this out there so more people know that they can help in some way. All right. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.